Hello everyone, today our challenge is brackets a over 125 brackets power a minus brackets 125 brackets power 125 power 2 which is equal to 0. Find out the value of a. That's my challenge. If you are a genius to solve this question, and please you have any other idea to solve this question, like comment in a comment section. Please like and subscribe our channel. So we have to start our lecture. Hello guys, first of all we take this brackets 125 power 125 power 2 on the right side of the equation. It will become like as a over 125 power a, and when we take it to the right side it become plus 125 power 125 power 2. Now we have no denominator of this equation and we put 1. First of all we apply a power rule over this, like this: a over b power x, which is equal to a power x over b power x. This power rule apply over here. Now we can write this equation like as a power a over 125 power a, which is equal to 125 brackets power 125 power 2 over 1. Now we take this one into the right side and this will be multiplied by this. When 1 multiplied by a power a, it become a power a 1. And now we take this on the right side of the equation. This become 125 power 125 power 2 and multiply 125 power a. Now the left side of the equation, when multiplied by 1, it become a power a, and right side we again apply a power rule like this: a power m power n, which is equal to a power n plus m. Now apply this power rule over this. We can write it this equation: 125 power 125 power 2 plus a. So next level, we take a log on both sides. Take a log on both sides of the equation. We write this equation like as log a power a and log which have base 125 on both sides. So we take this equation like as 1 log base which have base 125 a power a on, and also on the right side this become base and 125 power 125 power 2 plus a. Now we have a logarithmic rule like this: log a power n, which is equal to n log a. We apply this power rule on the left and right side of the equation. So students, we take this power a log a base 125, and right side of the equation become this power as a starting point 125 power a plus a, and this become log 125 base 125. This is the same base and same log. This is the logarithmic rule like this: log a over a, which is equal to 1. Students, if from here, if any real number like log 2 or base 2, which is equal to also 1, log 3 base 3, which is also 1, any number which have same base and same log is equal to 1. We apply this rule over here. So we write this equation: a log base 125 and 125 power a plus a, and this will become 1. When 1 multiply both of these, it become as same. Now on the next step, we divided by a on both side of the equation. Now students, we divided both side by a like this. A, also here a, and also here a. This a will cancel this a. This become log a base 125 and this become 125 power 2 over a. This a will cancel this a and it will become 1. Now students, we take this a equal to 125y. The value of a put in this equation. So write the left side of the equation will be right as log 125y base 125, and also here 125 square over 125y plus 1. Now apply a product of logarithm over here like this. Log AB will be equal to log A plus log B. This logarithmic rule apply over here. We can write it like as log 125 base 125 plus log y base 125. Now this is 2 times 125. We write as 125 125 over 125y plus 1. Now students, we apply here a logarithmic rule which has same base and same value cancel to each other, which is equal to 1. This become log y base 125 and this 125 will cancel this 125 and this become 125 over y plus 1. Now students, we add both side minus 1 and cancel this plus 1 and this plus 1. Add both side minus 1, this become minus 1 plus 1 log y base 125 over y plus 1 minus 1. This positive 1 will be cancelled by this minus 1 and here also same. And our equation become log y base 125 which is equal to 125 over y. This y will be multiplied by this become y log y base 125 is equal to 125. Now we apply a logarithmic rule over this. The logarithmic rule is here log a power n which is equal to n log a. This logarithmic rule apply over here and this equation become log y base 125 power y and is equal to 125. Now students, we apply another logarithmic rule over here. The logarithmic rule will be here log a base n is equal to x. Now we can write it n power x will be equal to a. This logarithmic rule apply over here. The equation become 125 power 125 and y power y. By comparing both sides of the equation, the equation y become 125. Recall the equation first, which is equal to a is equal to 125y. Put this value of y in here. The equation become 125 and 125. When we multiply both of these, this become 15,625. The value of a is 15,625. Now this is the value of a. We have to check the value is it true or false. To check value of a, equation is true or false. We write equation first. A over 125 power a minus 125 power 125 power 2 will be equal to 0. The value of a will be here. We put this value of a into this. The value of a is here 15,625, and now over 125, the value of a also put here 15,625 minus 125 power 125 power 2 is equal to 0. We cancel this. This become 125. Now we can write it 125. This is the multiple of 125. We can write this 125 power 2. So this is also equal to 125 power 2, which is equal to 0. This is the same values will cancel to each other and equation becomes 0. 0 is equal to 0. We have to prove that the value of a is 15,625. Student, if you like our lecture, please like and subscribe my channel to watch more videos.